Kumshibenta ban Rakhe kajing dap riu phau Snem ka Shillong Commerce College kan penlong da kajing yakop Mareh Thong ka bajingai shipau kilometer ha ka ar phu ar trip nailar ar hajar ar pun riu ka Thong jong kani kajing ya Mareh ka long kajing kwat jing khia ah kajing mut jing berkhan kajing pen Khubor ki Samla pat kajing pen khlan ya kajing mut jing berkhan uba penjok thiau nong rum unong hikai kani ka college ulei thu ikani ka jing thmu ha ki nong tho Khuborjylla press club ha ka nyau trik nailar ulapin kan mau ya ka Shillong Commerce College la Sdang house nem khat khandai spa an ri punyau ha kini kin ri house nem kani ka college kala ya ling babon ki at ki them ulong ka jing Rakhe ya kan ri house nem kawan ra ki babon ki jingmen ulei thuru ka Shillong kala shim yikini ki ktin phira ka pateng ne ka juk jong ka jingnang jing start ka jing pen Khubor ya kala wei kum ka phang pedeng ha kini ka jing Rakhe kemen ru house nem kan thi kani ka Mareh Thong kan Sdang ha ka pon riu bachi min step na Shillong Commerce College shalan khra shamadan yoring hab shadhan kiti sha Anjali sha Shillong Commerce College in Paria like in hon ki bahapo an riu Snem karta ki bahapo khat riu Snem karta bat san phau Snem shajrong ki busket balapen kre kilong baning kong shipho hajar tingka baar nyu hajar san spa tingka bat balai san hajar tingka lakin tui tu ki bakwa ban shiminta kini ka Mareh Thong ban ai kerteng lingba ko online bat offline
Yuan ini nagalian juga Shillong Commerce College. Halo boy pan kata long. Halo bajing Rakhe College. Ya ka tingkap indri Snem tadi kata diamond jubilee celebration. Di kumangikip baik ka college ini Shillong Commerce College. Laseng nadu Snem katna spa indri punya. Di kelas ini sedang tentang dikatakan kami jauh sedang kita apa review sedang di kecil semua hingga baik seni di college inok sen atau sedang kalau bar nak mendak kuno ban kentiu ya kap pilih puji hamleha kajela Meghalaya Juni di kantor Khubor kalian juga komos di bandar lesi di kampuna di college bandar di kecing seni di mana sekolah pensyuri di Samla puli dan kethai di Juni kenapa kita baik nak mendapat puli yang lain kalian coba komas di hari kajian di Jung ke college di Dubusnya si dan si pun bak di akhir termo kemudian besok kajian di nama apa hari sedang juga college kemudian besok dan jauh lagi Samla puli lagi nak wan pulih haka Shillong Commerce College. Kendai haka jengja ngayat isi di bawah, la susupa. Samla kila Sdang ban wan banyak pulih, banyak hikmat, siapa pulih jaga subjek haka commerce. Di hadu ketiga Snem berkomentar, nakalian juga dengan principal Lehkmen Gila pengkret kuno Rakhe kita ribus dan juga lasih serta arja abunya. Di hari kejadian dalam sikun pak kecil war kalian juga nomor bang susu pak. Kebanyakan kalau baik nak mata kajin ai jimentoy untuk imlam salam jom kejadian di Juni mata kasih di bawah. Di hari ini Snem akhir isi lah kalian juga sekolah ada kawan-kawan gue yang jadi menolong yang jadi tungdin haki arti di Jakarta gue yang mau pan gue pan mau pan sorry gue pan antai aku Shillong mau dengai dia jadi lale dekat dengan Prilang jom ke forest pandan jom soka dalam Meghalaya Juni di untuk semua Juni hari nanti taksi kadang kau ibarat kapan, berkata kapan kalau kajing dan jom kajing Mareh tarot nak benda 10 kilometer di hak kita kajing ram, mana kita kajing Mareh, berkata kapan kalau nilai khasi, kapaten ni kajuk jom kajing nam start, kajing Khubor ya kalau kini di Singapura educating generations, empowering futures. Di kata kadai nak mata jongka tim jongka ika sebab buka diamond jubilee celebration. Di nak mata kadika ron mate, nam tak ron mo. Kapan dan ke tim juga ron belum. Kajingko jingkia ha kajingko jingka mental health. Di adon suka halo kataru adon sekawan kelomba takoi kawan lo kajing Khubor ya di Samla kajing berklan ya kajing mut jingka empowering youth strengthening mind kata kali katim namtaka ni karon kebat Shillong haga aku atrik jumlah dos araja abunri kunta nakalian juga college mo principal management berbuai itu naikkai ikepat itu sosial terkait dengan Samla Rangba lalu di school di college bagi suha pandewan bersih bertahan nak kebentar kita jika mau pergi kita jika Mareh ba Shillong kita di nakalian juga nah mudi di terkini di bawah kampung tujuan ini desa ru nak kita
First of all, very good afternoon to everyone present here. As part of our Diamond Jubilee celebration, as part of Shillong Commerce College Diamond Jubilee celebration, we, the Marathon Organizing Committee of the Diamond Jubilee celebration, we are here to announce that we will be organizing the Diamond Jubilee Run to 2026 on 22nd of August. So with our team, Empowering Youth, Strengthening Minds, we are here to announce an initiative that goes beyond a sporting event. It is a movement that seeks to raise awareness about one of the most pressing issues affecting the youth today, that is mental health. Through this event, we aim to send a clear message that mental health matters and that no one should have to struggle alone. This run is more than just a test of physical endurance. It is a symbol of resilience, unity, and collective responsibility. We believe that a healthy society is built on healthy minds, and investing in the mental well-being of our youth is like an investment in the future of our nation. And also to the media, we extend special appeal. We request your support in helping us spread awareness and to reduce the stigma on mental health. And also, as we prepare for this event, we are inviting everyone not only to participate, but also to become ambassadors for mental health, be it in your homes, at work, or in your classrooms. So now I'll be sharing some of the details, the logistics of this run. Okay, the run, like I said, it will be held on 22nd of August 2026, and the time is 6 a.m. The mode of registration is online. It's through online mode, and anyone who's wishing to register themselves can visit our the official page of Shillong Commerce College on Instagram, or they can contact us, and we can send the registration link through WhatsApp. The run it is 10-kilometer run. And we are giving cash prizes to the winners, with the first prize being 10,000 rupees, second prize 7,500 rupees, and the third prize is 5,000 rupees. And also we have different categories for this run. The first category being under 16, the second category above 16 years, and the third category above 50. And also, the duration of this run is 1.5 hours. 1 hour 30 minutes. So we will also be giving finisher medals to those who finish this run within this stipulated time, that is 1 hour 30 minutes. We will be giving medals, certificates, and e-certificates also. With these few words, thank you.
This one from venue.
Okay, so the starting and finishing point of this run will be from Shillong Commerce College only. And we will be covering areas from Shillong Commerce College. We will be going to Lehkmen. Then Lehkmen will be going to Fire Brigade, then Dan Piti, then Mareh Point. Then we will take a loop near the Angeles Cinema loop. Then from that we will be returning to the same route. Then back to Shillong Commerce College.
It is just a one-day run, right?
It is sorry.
It is just for 1 day.
Yeah, it is a one-day run.
So there is a registration fee.
The registration fee is 100 rupees, and anyone who wishes to register themselves, they can, like I said, they can register through online mode by scanning the QR code which we have here. In this flyer, we have this QR code. One is for the registration link, and one is for the WhatsApp group. So for anyone wishing to register themselves, they can scan this QR code, and if also they have any difficulties scanning this QR code, they can reach us directly, be it through our Instagram page, Shillong Commerce College official Instagram page, or they can just contact us through the phone numbers that we have provided here in the poster.